So I'm James King with Modern Roofing. I'm going to be attempting a repair on Jimmy Gagnon's roof. Over here. I'm going to be repairing this wind damage shingle right here. This arrow is pointing to the shingle in which I'm going to be replacing. And I have a coworker recording me. Just make sure I'm in frame and all this shingle is in frame at all times. So I'm going to start unsealing this shingle with this approved roofing snake right here. I'm going to be as careful as possible when unsealing this shingle. As you can see, just from, like I said, I'm being as careful as possible to unseal this shingle. You can already see where a major tear has already occurred when unsealing that shingle. Well, it looks like they so this shingle is a lot shorter than an average shingle, but they had to cut it because of the that right there. I'm still going to repair it. You see a tear right there occurred in the shingle. There's significant mat transfer going on, and I'll show that after the repair has been completed. So all 5 nails were removed from this shingle. Obviously, I'm not going to even be able to perform a proper repair on this. You see the shingle's so short, and so is a lot of these other shingles on here. But you can see, obviously, pretty significant mat transfers occurred there. You can see where it's pulled up that shingle from underneath, just from proper unsealing. I unsealed this as as light as I could, but you can still see where it's pulled the material from the bottom shingle. So what mat transfer is going to do is it's not going to allow these shingles to seal back down properly, or not seal back down at all for that matter, and these shingles are going to be eventually damaged by wind because they're not sealed back down. I'm going to take this camera right here and I'm going to show you also a tear occurred right there in the shingle when unsealing it. Pretty significant tear. But you can see under these shingles right here. See, it's not only that shingle, but it's these shingles right here where mat transfer is occurring. You see under this shingle right here, pretty big chunks So none of these shingles are going to be able to seal back down properly. Not only that, you can see pretty massive tear right there that occurred. Pretty bad tears occurred on this shingle right here when trying to unseal it as smooth as possible with as little force as possible. So this roof, through spot repairs, is not going to be able to be returned back to its pre-loss condition.